I-Orlando Pirates izomkhumbula naba fethu uTito. I-Kaizer Chiefs ku-vacation ayadlala ama-team, but i-Kaizer Chiefs ayibona. I-Mamelodi Sundowns ishawa i-Golden Arrows at home. Ngabe izostruggle this season na. Kunezinye indaba ezinkulu esizokhuluma ngazo kule show le. With that being said, bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Si live ku Omni Audio Africa. This is the biggest platform yebhola eSouth Africa. No platform as bigger than us, bafethu. So siyabonga ukusijoyina namhlanje. Niyazi ukuthi sinama shows are different, sinabantu aba different, khona nabomdu, but asiqaleni ngama-game we-MTN 8, ama-game important kakhulu. I-first leg ye-MTN 8 sibona iMamelodi Sundowns idlala ne-Golden Arrows. Mina bengicabanga ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns izogwazela ibhece bafethu, ishaye nje 3 goals, ishaye maybe 2 goals, at least ise home. It was a must-win game for i-Sundowns at home, but iMamelodi Sundowns yahluleka ukuwina at home. Asingenene ey'nkingeni ze-Sundowns. Sundowns dominate play, dominator everything in terms of football, dominator. Yawa creator nalawo ma chances lawo. Defense number 1 defense Sundowns. Even the last week bafethu ngishilo, defense Sundowns iyaxeka. Moyibukela lapha defense Sundowns ay convince that much, yabo. Ubona ulo bayawazama amajita ubani uKigen bayamzama bamdlalisa noKhoza. Abokhoza noKigen boba u2 ama modern defenders ba comfortable on the ball, makiwa phambili bayakwazi ukucontribute, but ke makumele ba defend khona la balahla khona iside, because Golden Arrows I create something out of the blue. Bashaya through pass la hlangana nayo uDion, into dangerous kakhulu, ebe top goal scorer last season. Olshaphakathi banika uGosi opportunity naye when it matters the most uyahluleka ukuba save, but ke ama mistake ayenzeka. But why njalo iSundowns kumele babe namaphutha laphana emuva bafethu, namaphutha okumele ngabe baya avoid. Asiyeni phambili, uMiguel Cardoso for mina. Yabona uMiguel Cardoso, he might be a good coach on the continent ngisasho every week ngizonikhumbuza. On the continent is great, but I think ebholeni lase South Africa bafethu is too exposed lamjita lo. Uqalisa uLebo Muthiba, unohambise noPeter Shalulile, ngoba phela as ucoach wena ungakwazi ukukhulumela iplayer, just awukhulumeli ngamagama nje kuphela or ngomlomo nje kuphela, ulikhulumela ngolinika igame time iplayer. But uthi hayi uPeter Shalulile umfuni, rather have uLebo Muthiba, unika uLebo Muthiba. Lebo Muthiba ulo uyalo laphana umjito ubani uMayilula, uyalo uMayilula umnika ibhola, i-first touch yakhe lo mjito is not convincing. Ngiyaxolisa bafethu, hayi kabi first touch, and then sokumela pick sport laphana. Angiboni mina ngathi umdlalo lona bekadlala bo ma Europe, umdlalo bekadlalela iBafana iBafana quality, yabo. Siyazi ukuthi ubani uReyners bathe une flu and iSundowns yastruggle ngamanye amalokhunjana yini ama injuries, but i-team efana neSundowns akumelanga icomplain bafethu ngama players. Banama players amaningi kakhulu labantu laba. Mawubheka ama player bawalonile maningi kakhulu amanye angadlala. But I think sengibonile iSundowns izodlala ngoTeboho kwena oyikhoye esisi yeSundowns, i-attack yabo even ngishilo nase game yeKaizer Chiefs. Ukhuliso Mudawo bafuna uku-attack ngeside lakhe kuphela. Akekho manje uMudawo ubani banika umdunyelwa i-opportunity, and umdunyelwa naye is not that comfortable. Last season sambone edlala kahle kakhulu baze bamselect kuBafana. The unfortunate part ukuthi umdunyelwa walimala ngithi bafethu, azange izinto zimhambele kahle. But iSundowns I'm so disappointed because manje baya kuphi, baya lena eKZN. eKZN baluza igame yabo laphana kuGolden Arrows. Ngiyakhumbula bokuyi first game kaNuno Santos, I won't forget, abadominate iGolden Arrows. You don't want to play iGolden Arrows at home, but iSundowns bayazi ukuthi kubaleka kangakanani ukuthi bakwazi ukubuya. Mina final bengifisa ukuyibona Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates. Is Miguel Cardoso gonna come back? Uzokwazi ukufaka amanye ama players are exciting, nama players azokwazi ukuvuka laphana for iSundowns ashama ama goal, because mawubheka ama players weGolden Arrows bafethu ama workaholics, yabo. Ayalo majita ubheke Oz ubani unhlanhla uyasho ukuthi yena laphana eswini bafethu strong, ufuna ukuyodlala eEurope, uyasho ukuthi makadlala lama matches lawa amakhulu bafethu uyazi advertise. But ke uMiguel Cardoso, I think mina i-weakest link kuSundowns ucoach, akusiya ama player, because ama players unawo but udlalisa ama players out of position. Ngeke ngakhuluma even nangoSaleng ngithi bamdlalisa eceleni, bamdlalisa la ngekho comfortable khona ku left wing, kanti uSaleng uthanda ukukhatha ku right wing. Manje sinondlovu abamdlalisa ku right wing kuSundowns, and uNdlovu simazi ku free role ezu number 10 la zenzela khona. Ziningi izinto mfethu, ngiyazi ukuthi obvious ucreative uMiguel Cardoso ufuna ukusibonisa ukuthi yena ucoach wase Europe, uba nama system wakhe, but why kumele ushintshe iplayer iku position la comfortable khona? Ngikhulume ngama modern defenders elo weSundowns, uKigen uKeegan mina I don't know i-best position kaKeegan mina ngimazi ezi right wing uKeegan but ku-Sundowns i-competition i-tight ngeke adlale manje ulaphana bekadlala noKhoza emuva ngithi ku-center back unokumbona ezi-midfielder what is i-best position yakhe lwamjida lo so ama-questions lawo maybe ama-Sundowns supporters angangiphendula ku-comment section umdu I'm sure uyayiveza inamba lana ngingakwazi ku-reach out ngingakwazi ukusendela ama-comment before ngivale ishow ngizofunda ama-comment wenu ngizofunda ama-questions wenu lesibone maybe Sundowns izofila if isazobhifa up kwamanye ama-department because if uzoluza ama-key players wakho so unenkinga just losing maybe 2 players so unenkinga ngoba even noRonza uRonza the best goalkeeper eSouth Africa eSouth Africa but manje naye unama mistake wakhe uconsider amagoli obonayo na uthi akumelanga waconsider I think bekuyisikhathi esiright vele ukuthi bamrest if bayamrest ngoba abashonga ukuthi ulimele yabo asimove ke ezimnyama ngenkane zikamagebhule ezagebhula umhlaba kaMasipala Orlando Pirates iwinile Orlando Pirates siyibonile ngithi bafowethu iwine kanjani Orlando Pirates nabo bebangadlala ibhola le-exciting but into engengayisho into ngilongisho ukuthi Orlando Pirates iwina ayiwini fancy but iyakwazi ukuwathola lama-win ama-win abalekile well i-bantering or uku-attack ama-player or uku-attack ama-teams or attack lapho nalapho but i-team mayikwazi ukuwina yinto ebalekile if i-team iyakwazi ukuthola ama-results bafethu yinto ebalekile nalo i-player bengikhuluma ngalo last week uHotho iplayer important kakhulu for iOrlando Pirates lwamjida mele bamnika i-contract until azabe na 50 uHotho udlala i-left back but uyaya phambili ngoba iOrlando Pirates ayidominate iplay uyazithola eboxini lento bengikhala ngayo ngoNdaba mina ngithi uNdaba udominate ube ne-ball position kuna wonke ama-players egroundini laphana against iDurban City but uyenzeleni iOrlando Pirates nika uHot ibhola njalo abese ebholeni njalo Hotel ni uyawanika ama-wingers awanika ama-options ukuthi amnike laphana eswini uhlezi irana yo uyasebenza lo mjida lo yabafowethu uHot ugijima ngathi una 25 uhlela amajita amaningi kakhulu lapha nakoRlando Pirates so you don't have to like him uHotho ukuthi umncome iwork rate yakhe yili player mina mangilibheka ngilibona koRlando Pirates ngiyasho ukuthi yabona lo mjita lo mekhona kune element of danger ama teams awa relax because ubhekana newing if also na police lapha neside ubhekana naye if uMurem ubhekana naye but nanga umunye ohluphayo futhi uHotho eyahlupha lo mjita lo but what a player into engithandayo ngaye uyawuhlonipha umsebenzi wakhe every game lo mjita lo uyazimisela ukunika 100% hayi ukuthi maybe uzofana namanye ama player akuvezela nje kancane but masiya maybe kwamanye ama department still striking department eOrlando Pirates bafithu bayaleka I think Orlando Pirates they can still go out there bathole esinye striker maybe as understander iBetway Premiership simbonile umlungu Pedersen ungenile bamnike opportunity lapha ukuthi adlale ukuthi simbone because une hype enkulu and kunama expectations amakhulu for yena but maybe kumele simjudge after boma 5 games but inkinga yami la encane ukuthi una 27 lo muntu lo una 10 years adlala ku professional game yabo and udlala eEurope angithi mawubuye eEurope kunama expectations amakhulu because isikhathi esiningi intwana ezincane sithi zinabo ma 19 21 at least maybe 22 sithi okay laba sibanika isikhathi ukuthi bakwazi ukujwayela yabo una 27 but maybe kumele acclimatize uzojwayela ibhola lase South Africa but into engizibonile kuye uleka ispeed ibhola leOrlando Pirates lifast kakhulu ucisha afane no Diong because khona la ulungu ngicela nibuyeleni kule game yeOrlando Pirates nibheke lento engisho ulungu khona la I think ayi3 or kayingaki uya sprint lapha oshanga nyi pace bafethu serious ulo kumele amnike option naye kumele agijime fast yabo ukuthi amnike option ukuthi akwazi ukumscore ibhola simple but uslowly kakhulu lo ugijima kwakhe ngathi nje uyajoka umfowethu angazi ukuthi uzokwazi ukuqualify kule speed seOrlando Pirates but ke nebudinga isikhathi ukuthi adapt ngibonile bamnika lapha ngibone ishoot yakhe la shoota khona it was a big chance yabo if maybe was more composed lapha na beyangakwazi maybe ukuplace ibhola but ke nama nerves ukuthi udlalela i-team enkulu akazi adlalela ku team elingana neOrlando Pirates team enkulu i-team eserious lena that is why nomlunga uPedersen are excited ukuthi abe adlale kuOrlando Pirates and obvious uzoziwina izinto ifu lapha na kuOrlando Pirates but striking department seOrlando Pirates yibo abantu kumele bafuthu ba make sure ukuthi baba strong cause even ama half chances if Orlando Pirates yawa creator shaya mfethu punisha lama team la wabonisa ukuthi ezimnyama ngenkande ezizikamagebhula bafethu yabo so i team important but So far I'm not impressed ngebhola ngifuna ukuqamba manga yabona mangijudge team as a whole ngebhola I'm still not convinced. But it's not just the Orlando Pirates kuphela, even the Sundowns abakafiki mani kule gear lelabo last season or le bhola lesilijwayele thina maybe le Orlando Pirates ukuthi okay ba comfortable ba create ama opportunities amaningi kakhulu. Igame yakho inokuba flat man unga understand, but maybe ukuthi kusase first leg nama player asabuya laphana kulo ku pre-season league iqeda ukuqala cause even na overseas sibonile nabo Manchester City badlala ibhola elithusayo sibona ukuthi akusi Manchester City esiyazi, but I guess season entsha ama players ojwayela ucoach usazama ama formation meba different usa introduce futhi nama players anew khona abafana umfana omncane lapha ubani umasilela ko Orlando Pirates naye bayamnika opportunity. Uthanda na ukushaya itayela umfana but so wabona amajit ukuthi azodlala kanjani. And then indaba ezinkulu kakhulu bafethu ambulance siyasethembisa Patrick Maswanganyi uTito uyishilo Orlando Pirates uyodlala ku country singayazi nokuyazi. Why Orlando Pirates lose ama key players like uluzurile uTito ngihlezi ngisho lento leyo uTito siyamateka umatheka ngoba kule element of laziness mawumbukela ne, but yena uyahereza for Orlando Pirates bheka ama assist wakhe bheka ama goals wakhe bheka last season ukuthi just before season iphela ukuthi ucontribute kangakanani unokuba flat unokuthula kwamanye ama game but uyiplayer important kakhulu for Orlando Pirates because ucreative uyakwazi ucreate. Ubani number 10 ku Orlando Pirates kusho ukuthi manje abana number 10 ku Orlando Pirates number 10 o dangerous number 10 uzokwazi ukureplace uRile Mfukeng number 10 well uRelevel seka uhambe sokunesikhathi ehambile sibonile ngithi akaqalanga even neseason eOrlando Pirates hambe after World Cup lapha, but ubani number 10 wePirates remember maybe convert uOzwena Police and what I don't ngicabanga ukuthi owadi ubafethu akamuzi uOzwena Police noma ka understand because lo muntu mina uOzwena Police is the biggest star ku Orlando Pirates. I lamchithi superstar and akalose ibhola uOzwena Police ucomfortable on the ball yabo mdlalise ngestrength sakhe nomnika freedom ukuthi azenzele lapha as coach ubelieve kuye uzombona uzokudeliver lo muntu lapha ke ngathi ayikho confidence that much from ucoach angazi kwenzakalani ke ngoZwena Police because isikhathi esiningi bayam replace khona ama players nginokuthi mebazo replace bangawa replace but uZwena njalo bayam replace umfowethu uzoyithola phi confidence uzoba nayo confidence that much from the coach ngendlela adlala ngayo or maybe ukumreplace kakhulu because uyiplayer important for mina mangimbona uyisuperstar njengoba ngisho ukuthi uOzwena Police uyisuperstar uyiplayer important. Umuremi ngishilo ngathi naye uzoba iplayer important for Orlando Pirates, but yabona umfana mangimbheka nama player afana nabo Khositsile kunama player afana nabo Densini Khositsile kune hype vela around yena even nomdube kasho wakhuluma ngayo kune hype enkulu around yena ngithi uyiplayer uyambona ukuthi utalented umfana. It's a matter of ukuthi calm down yabo relaxa ungatatazeli ungajaha ungafuni ukwenza too much yabo uzujwayela mfethu ubamba ibhola take players on if awuna option at all if we must njalo molibamba ibhola njalo wena ufuna ukuqeda ngabantu no relax ube grand bakhona abantu aba comfortable they can take players on when uzojwayela igame eOrlando Pirates uzojwayela ukudlala kule level le italent esiyalibona but ke italent alone is not good enough because we've seen great players banikwa ama opportunities kula ma teams lawa but they don't live up to ama expectations lawa makhulu right, but umfana unali talent and bayamnika ama opportunities lapho kuOrlando Pirates. So I think bane team ezokwazi ukucompete at the moment banama injuries amaningi kumele badile nawo especially ama senior players lapha neteamini kuzoba nzinyana for iOrlando Pirates but bakwazile ukushaya isikhukhune United. I don't think second leg I don't think isikhukhune United khona into esizoyenza eOrlando bafethu unless if maybe bazobalanda straight angazi because mawuzo uthi ulanda Orlando Pirates pound to pound I better than when as isikhukhune but khona ama players are exciting are good lapha na dangerous kusikhukhune United. It's a matter of good maybe uCedric Kaizer okhazi uzowadlalisa kanjani lawo ma player but mangibheka isikhukhune United angisiboni bafethu isikhukhune United isicompete neOrlando Pirates siyishaya futhi Orlando Pirates lapha neOrlando Amstel Arena but ngingapredict mina but igame izoba decided egroundini kuyenzeka ke phela yabo kushayisana inkomishi iteam obona ukuthi nawe ayina chance iwina but isikhukhune United angisiboni ismatch Orlando Pirates bafethu there is no way angisiboni like ngiyazama ukubheka even nakule game le ama chances wabo mawubheka khona into engiyibonile esikhukhune United ugoalkeeper uButhelezi and uHotha akashanga kayi-1 egamini before akora because bayamazi lo muntu lo uButhelezi bamvimbisile for the past 2 games laphana kuSikhukhune United angithi ubuya koLorlando Pirates and ubani sengithi why ngithi uButhelezi akanawo manje lo confidence leyo yabo ugoalkeeper onama mistake so makuzovimba yena even nalaphana Orlando Amstel Arena bafethu ijwayela lento Amstel Arena. I don't see Isikhukhune United siba ne clean sheet. I don't. So Orlando Pirates yaku finally straight ama defending champions yibo ekumele ba defend i-title yabo. Bazokwazi ukuyidefend i-title yabo na asazi because iball at the end of the day. Kubonakala ngathi iGolden Arrows ingasurprise yazi bafowethu. iGolden Arrows ingasurprise if ikwazi ukuthusa iSundowns. But Sundowns if izobuya second leg asazi izinto ziyenzeka. Uzomkhumbula ezibhakaniya before ngivale ezibhakaniya bafethu nizomkhumbula uTito ubani okumele replace uTito lapha naKorlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates nokusayina ama players mowabheka waziwa that much but aba ma superstars kuOrlando Pirates because kuba ne system angithi abadlala ngayo bane system yokuscout ama player. Ubani okumele step up lapha na ku number 10 role into bengizama ukuyibuza laphana into engizama ukuyibuza kini bafowethu labantu abasijoinile laphana online na into engifuna ngifuna ukukhuluma ngayo bafowethu khona into trendayo manje kukhulunywa ngama players abelungu ne khalwa ngoku abantu bathi ibafana kumele ibe nama players wabelungu abelungu kumele badlale nabo kubafana bakupha abelungu bayingakho abelungu abadlala ku Betway Premiership bayingakho abelungu abadlala ku Kaizer Chiefs ongathi wena lo kumele abe kuba Ethan Chislet uya deserve kuba kubafana no bayingakho abelungu Pirates uDion no Pedersen abakuphi omunye wase New Zealand omunye wase Norway ku Sundowns bayingakho abelungu one by one so bazovela phi ke labelungu laba bafethu nithi abadlale ku national team abekho angithi bakhona abafew okay personal experience mina ngintshele ngepersonal experience ngizonenzela nje team enazi iBinoni United ne mangikhula adlala ibhola nabo Binoni United bekudlala mangamla almost 90% kudlala mangamla da but once mabakhula lamajita lawa awabi interested ukudlala ibhola eSouth Africa professional bakhala ngelevel yakhona they would rather watch manje iEPL because of equality of content yaku Betway Premiership or ebholeni lase South Africa equality yethu bafethu to be honest masiba honest masibheka equality of product lethu singasho ukuthi questionable angithi siyayibona equality yethu bafethu asibeni fair silikhulumeni iqiniso so intwana ekhulayo ibukela ibhola lethu ingamla and then isikhathi esiningi yona uyuzifavela iManchester United or Manchester City uzibukelela Real Madrid more compare equality lethu nequality langale uyabona ukuthi nesisemuva kakhulu they would rather bona baningi kakhulu ama South Africans awubelungu adlala overseas boma Portugal boma kuphi ukuthola ukuthi badlala kwamanye ama division abanye badlala kwamanye ama countries ukuthi asibacabanga nokubacabanga bona but bakhona out there they would rather play overseas and then enye into ke inkinga yama salaries ku Betway Premiership angithi i-agent la kaSaleng utheni uma isisi uthe khona abadlali abahola less than 10,000 professional so ucabanga ukuthi intwana yomlungu ayifani nami ukuthi maybe mina ngidesperate bafuna into eqondile sibale straight mina as maybe intwana yaselokishini or maybe ebuye emakhaya maybe ngisho ukuthi i-first contract banginike 6,000 just mele ngiziprove ngoba omunye umuntu okhula okubuya ku background right for yena uyasho ukuthi angeke bathi ngiprofessional ngifamous ngivele TV but ngihola 15,000 it's not gonna work for abanye abantu so le conversation le yabe yokuthi obani why bengekho inini abafethu come on uCross bengikhuluma no babakho uCross well no ubhuti wakhe ngobaba bakhe bekaphambili ngikhuluma nobhuti wakhe ngikhumbula uCross eyintwana eBashley ne uCross kulama teams lawo bekawadlalela isikhathi esiningi bekuba uye kuphela ingamla bakupha abanye bongamla bafethu ngicela sikhulume ngezinto esizaziyo esiza-understandayo singakhulumi ngezinto ngoba ziya trend and nginokubona even nabantu abakhulu bazokhuluma ngalento lena bafethu but abana ayikho mani base yalento le abakhuluma ngayo mozothi we bakuphi abekho abadlali badlala mabayintwana 16 17 ba drop out bafethu. So singafuni ukublame maybe abanye abantu sithi ay maybe baba blockile njengoba bengekho kwasha kwacima bafethu. No, silikhulumeni iqiniso. Ngizongena kuma comment section wenu. Into engayisho ukuthi sithemba ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs ngoba ngithe ku vacation ba rest isikhathi bafethu bayalungisa izinto zabo. Imagine sikhuluma ngebhola bafethu la South Africa, ibhola elikhulu la South Africa, i knockout challenge enkulu which is the MTN 8. Baba knockout first round. Phela ngabe nathi sine content esizokhuluma ngayo kakhulu this week, but ke because for life alikho bafethu kule competition le. But I think ngeneni ngini nginizwe bafethu ukuthi nithini lapho kuma social media platforms ukuthi ani comment nithini. But siyabonga for ukujoina bafethu. Siyabonga kubantu abasibonisa uthando, abasithandayo, siyabonga kubantu abasithukayo. You guys are shaping this platform because ngaphandle kwenu asikho thina bafethu, sikhuluma iqiniso. Ngiyabona ama comment wenu. Ithi sibhekeke bafethu. Umncedisi Bheki Maseko uthi likely so if possible uthi this season iOrlando Pirates izowina iMTN 8 kuphela. Uthi other than that they won't win anything. Ngiyamuza ubhuti umncedisi bafethu njengoba bathi iOrlando Pirates izowina iMTN 8 kuphela ne. But iyiphi team oyibonayo ezo-challenge serious this season? Because Orlando Pirates njengoba ngishilo ukuthi abadlalanga kahle kulama since bayiqalile season abakadlali njengo Orlando Pirates leshisayo ngithi, but they are able to win games. So masothi bazowina iMTN 8 kuphela. Wobani manje abasaphakamisa isandla obona ukuthi hayi man kulama game lawo esiwabonile nayi team strong, nayi team engathi izoba inking. iSundowns nayo iyaleka inamaphutha wayo, uyayibona nawo. iKaizer Chiefs iwinile lapho kuwina but ayikakahlangani nayo. iOrlando Pirates izocompete, sibeni fair. I think iOrlando Pirates okay, ngicela ukukhuluma iqiniso kancane. Ngiyazi ukuthi amaqiniso ileague yethu as a whole ne ayikho competitive. iOrlando Pirates, iKaizer Chiefs, iMamelodi, well asithi iOrlando Pirates neSundowns ama champions ngiexpecte ukuthi mina ama champions we league kuvele lapho. Yoma team ayi2 engwazi ukuthi yabona lawa hungry for ukuwina izinto. Yoma teams azocompete, right? iKaizer Chiefs nayo kumele ibe khona ecompeteni bafethu make sure ukuthi yawashala ama team amancane. Orlando Pirates neSundowns mabaleka neKaizer Chiefs iyakwazi ukutake over. But honestly if iOrlando Pirates ine winning formula yayo ngithi ngeSundowns ine winning formula yayo and mawubheka lama teams lawo anali quality lokucompete and bayafuna ukuwina. So masothi iOrlando Pirates izowina iMTN 8 kuphela, isikhukhuna United ngeke siwine Knicks bafethu. Well kungenzeka abashayisane necup ngoba hayi ukuthi phela into engishoyo kuzoba vele ukuthi izinto zizohamba kanjalo. But iyiphi team esingayi pinpoint bafethu sithi le yabona lena le izokwazi ukucompete serious outside lama teams ayi3 amakhulu. Mina ayikho team engiyibonayo. I don't think iStellenbosch singawini league. Akekho umuntu oyicabangayo le nto le. I don't think iGolden Arrows ngawini league. I don't think amaZulu ngawini league bafethu. I don't think, come on bafethu, asizameni ukuba fair. Siyazi ukuthi singasho ukuthi obani ngeke bacompete benzeni, obani but abazocompete sibabonayo. Ama team league yethu mana ayikho that strong. iKaizer Chiefs last season beyinama struggles wasibonile lebhola bebalidlala but still they were able to finish number 3. So namhlanje ngikhuluma iqiniso, ngikhuluma ibhola ngokweqiniso. Ithi sibheke amanye ama comment lana. Ubantu Khotso Jomo Ramuhlabi khopela tshwarelo ntate if agi ready pila linna la hawo wabo. Uthi in the absence of Tito, who should take charge of 10 role position? Uthi Mpho Padime, what a player. I'm surprised ukuthi Mpho Padime uyelene Netherlands ne-DDC team. Yili player mina bengile expectile ukuthi lizo step up lapha naKorlando Pirates bazomnika ama opportunities. Mfethu Mpho besimbukele Dustin. Mpho is superstar. It's just a matter ukuthi maybe system ye coach imsebenzele ne coach ne system icoach ibelievele kuye bamdlalise ku role lazo ba comfortable khona. Akanayo pace that much but uyamfana ngekulithola. Kunzima ukuthi uthathe ibhola, kunzima ukuthi aluze ibhola and akawasaba ama play, can take players on, uyakwazi ukuassist, uyakwazi ukushoota. So i player eli important kakhulu. I think uyishayile ubhuti lana, ubhuti ubantu uyishayile bafethu. Yili play kumele lithathe le role ka number 10. But iquestion enkulu ukuthi baya believela na kuye lapha na ku Orlando Pirates. Sibuyele sibheka amanye ama comment ukuthi athini lana. Siyabonga bafethu ukusijoin. Umbali Mukwena uthi people already judging Sundowns on losing, but Orlando Pirates season lost 2 opening. Oh, okay. I think la uthi Orlando Pirates lost 2 opening games last season. Mbali Mukwena, Mbali, ngiyabonga ngecomment ne. But Mbali, lama team lawa makhulu angithi ne. So ajudge based on ama game. And then makuphela isizini sokujudge ngesizini yakho as a whole. Manje if iKaizer Chiefs iwinile ngeke ngisho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs ishaya isikhukhune United or iKruger United nini. Manje kusho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs izoba njani no. Ngizokujudge ngeprevious game yakho. Ebholeni bathi ugudi ngelast game yakho. That is why manje sikhuluma ngama game lawo esibuya kuwa ngithi. So that's why sinala ma platform lawo. That is why sinala ma shows lawo. Ukuthi si recap kulama games esiwabonile. Orlando Pirates last season si judge harsh ukuthi hayibo Orlando Pirates lose 2 opening games but yakwazi ukuwina ngithi. Azange sisho ukuthi Orlando Pirates maybe khona abantu bebathi izovumbuka izovuka ibe strong team powerful yabo. Obviously ayabuya ama team. Ama fans Orlando Pirates eOrlando Stadium bebathi uWard akahamba after 2 games. But naku manje uWard bamcelebrateile ngoba ukwazile ukuthola ama results. Khona ubani Rome Tepiso again khopela tshwarelo ubala amagameni bafethu uthi just say it without Kaizer Chiefs all competitions are boring. Well, without Kaizer Chiefs ibhola as a whole liyabhora. Why? Because Kaizer Chiefs in fan base even the content liyabhora. Without Kaizer Chiefs in fan base enkulu. Kaizer Chiefs yene base enkulu. Thina sisebenza ngama numbers, understand ama number. Siyazi ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs representani ebholeni lase South Africa. So even nama sponsor wajabuli ngaphandle kweKaizer Chiefs because iKaizer Chiefs if beyidlala this weekend ngabe kube nebase enkulu. Manje Kaizer Chiefs beyingekho because ke Kaizer Chiefs ihluleke ukushaya iGolden Arrows at home. Yabo? So sinale yonkinga leyo. But yazi why sifika to a point where sithi without Kaizer Chiefs ibhola liyabhora. Ukuthi ama teams maybe ayi10 ku Betway Premiership esingawazi ukuthi avelaphi. Sikhukhune United besingekho 10 years ago. Kruger United, Milford bengawazi mina maybe nani benwazi bafuthu. Kunama teams amaningi anganayo identity esingawazi. Isikhukhune United team bathi on paper bathi team yase Limpopo bathi yase ngoba idlalele ePulukwane. Isikhukhune United yase Kempton Park bafuthu. Ngiclose to nayo eKempton Park isikhukhune if ngiyaxolisa if ngithe iCrew. Isikhukhune United si based the Kempton Park but kuthiwa i-team yase Limpopo. So izo connecta kanjani nabantu on the ground? Cause ikudala I remember that I used to watch Jomo Cosmos ngiyintwana ne iJomo Cosmos bebagcwalisa stadium even the Sundowns beyigcwalisa stadium but stadium sikuphi iba close to abantu bakho and abantu bay understand ihistory leyo team leyo bekhona othembisa classic angithi bafethu lawo ma teams lawo bebawabukela abantu wena bekhona o Black Leopard makuyiwe Thoyandwe obowazi bekhona i Dynamos sold out stadium magdlala iDynamos ine identity ukuthi okay i-team yalana eGiyani or i-team yase Thoyandwe or i-team yakuphi ine identity strong manje kuvumbuka ama teams bafethu angana identity that is why ibhola lethu lizobhora if ama teams amakhulu mhlambe awekho i-team efana neKaizer Chiefs ayikho but ibhola ibili exciting with or without Kaizer Chiefs ikudala cause sonke besi super excited bafethu ukubukela just ibhola mina was excited ukubukela iJomo Cosmos until okay le izongifaka enkingeni mangayisho ngiyaxolisa ngoba iqiniso labele ngibheke ngisemsebenzini ayithi sibheke namalom khona ubani Afro uthi don't you dare uthi oy isilungu bafethu uthi don't you Dion Dlamini dancing can do or I think maybe uthi beyacabanga uthi don't you think yeah uthi uDion uDlamini uDancing can do a job lapha ku number 10 role or kumele basayine Witboy. uDlamini uyakwazi ukudlala kule position le. uDion uyi good player but slow for isystem ye Orlando Pirates. Uslow lamjida lo. Yabona uDlamini ugood ebholeni and uyakwazi ukushaya nama passes. In terms of ukushaya ama pass ku Betway Premiership uDlamini naye bafethu is one of the best in terms of ukushaya ama pass. Ukushayela elinye pass ubone but coach according to me I don't think coach ya believer kuDlamini to be honest angithi bafethu. Sibonile even na last season uDlamini when he was fit ukuthi he was not playing. uDion bamzamile kwamanye ama game maybe this season uzoba comfortable asazi sobona. But uEmil Witboy Orlando Pirates sana lo amjida lo le yantwana le ngoba intwana phela kithi. Hayi lapho ngiyakutshela. leyantana le superstar. Lento yenziwa futhi iCape Town City ukuthi bafuna boma 20 million into engayi understand mina. iOrlando Pirates and uyiworkaholic nayo umfethu iMilwood boy mncane but strong but unaleyo arrogance ukulanda ama player and iOrlando Pirates counter attack after counter attack idinga iplayer eli strong eli creative whether intwana but awupadime if ucoach uzomnika opportunity. uDlamini angikho sure ngaye lapha koLando. uDlamini uDiong angikho sure ngaye. uDensini uza kahle but uDensini akusi number 10 creative to be honest. uDensini uyi more of number 8 than number 10. uyakwazi kuba advance but akusi number 10 esiyaziyo thina South African number 10 niyazi bafethu kumele ibe nespice kumele ibe noshukela kumele ube naleyo nto leyo. iMilwood boy angafita perfect kule position le yabo. So asibhekeni amanye ama comment abafethu lana ukuthi bafethu nithini la ku comment section. Siyabonga bafethu kusijoin ku Omni Audio. Ngihlezi mina ngisho ukuthi wena abantu bavumelana nathi or abavumelani nathi but ke sonke sikhuluma ibhola ngeke sivumelane ngebhola bafethu ngitsohlezi siphikisana but siyabonga ukuengage siyabonga kuba khona kwenu bafethu. Ubani uSpexin siphelela uthi Pirates yakulokhu ngeke ithole iligi uthi neCAF ngoba ixosha abadlali kanje. Esha mfethu if ngeke iOrlando Pirates they cannot afford ukuluza ama players amaningi kangaka une-experience to be honest. As a big team akumelanga ube i-selling team ngalo ndlela leyo yabo. Mele ukwazi ukugcina amanye ama players wakho but wagcina kanjani ama player mele abe comfortable kuma contracts. ama players mele ahole imali ezi right. ama players mele abe ku environment right. I'm not saying Orlando Pirates ayiwanika ama players imali ezi right but if uzoluza ama players amaningi nabona ukukhulisa umuntu awatshela ku Sundowns ukuthi mfethu we can't afford to lose you and azange bamlose. UTebogo Mokoena bekunama reports ukuthi uyahamba bafuna ukumlose. Kunama players even oMabhena kunama reports confirmed or unconfirmed reports unverified reports. Kunama player even oBolihlaku ayo Sundowns baya bakubeka ucaca ukuthi they are not a selling team. So if iOrlando Pirates ifuna ukudominate ukulwa serious Orlando Pirates phela ayithengi ngalo ndlela ukuthi maybe uzothenga iplayer le 20 million. Leyo nto ngeke yenzeke Orlando Pirates bakwazi uku-identify ama player azofita ku system ye Orlando Pirates. That is why kubalekile ukuthi bakwazi to keep i-core yama players wabo akhona lapha na kwezimnyama ngenkani bafethu. Then khona ulona uSkhilo Muketsi and then uthi let Wadu build his squad. I'm still shocked how do Pirates let go of our attacking players. Nami mfethu ngiyamangala uthola mfethu i-creativity engaka iyahamba koLando Pirates nakhona abanye baya releasewa laphana. Hey nangu uqhawe Dlamini bengingafuni ukuyiveza ukuthi isikhukhune besitrainela kuphi. Ngeke ngathi mengikhuluma ngelinye ilanga ngikhuluma ngoRonaldo Lina because ngangimbona njalo eBedford View ne batrainela khona. Akusi team yase lento le identity yama teams bafethu inkinga. That is why uzosupporta kanjani team ongayazi nokuthi eyakuphi. Ngoba uyazi mayodlala iplayer lakhona ngeke ulibone nasemall. Nangephutha wonke ama players wakhona iplayer badlala kwenye province bathi they from that province but bahlala kwenye province. Ngibone iMarumo Gallant sokuyiteam yasePitori manje iMarumo Gallant at the moment ibase yabo yasePitori but on paper kuthiwa iteam yakuphi niyayibona kodwa lento lena bafethu. Then uzobuilda kanjani fan base is strong because you have to interact with the fans on the ground and ubuild lawo ma branches lawo ibhola lethu bafethu. Okay ku exciting ukuthi sibona ama teams amasha but ukuluza ama team wethu lawa thina beswazi ngoba ngisJomo Cosmos, Dynamos, Black Leopard bekhona bo Santos. Leyo nto leyo isenzelene because if bekhona mfethu bekunebhola elo iBushbucks le yase Eastern Cape beyinama fans beni identity yayo but ithi simove lapho bafethu ngaze ngibe senkingeni. Khona uBlessed ungibuza ukuthi ngiOrlando Pirates fan ngisemsebenzini mfethu mina. I'm not allowed to support. Yabo ngikhuluma nje lewe ngikhuluma ngakhona. Khona uNkosinathi Chabalala uthi Orlando Pirates will retain Betway Premier League whether ama player are going or not. Trust the coach. So bona it's too early ukuthi ngithi Orlando Pirates izo retain or ngeke retain. Khona ubani Ape Wax uthi today you are talking football brother, congratulations. You don't take sides. I like this kind of content. Maybe ngafuna ukusho kanjalo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bhuti. Ngiyabonga kuma positive comment. Ngiyabonga abantu abasijoinile bafethu. Ngiyabonga abantu abajoine inkuli soccer lana ku Omni Audio Africa. You make the show. You make me relevant. You make umdu relevant. You make us abantu abaimportant. Nisifaka nisithatheni nasifaka at the center bafethu nasibeka e-center of South African football. So le platform le akuse yethu lenkuli soccer lenibonayo le show le whether nibona mina ngathe kubani ngithini but just know wonke umuntu o-engageayo you make me yabo ngaphandle kwenu ayikho yonke lento lena bafethu because thina lento lesiyenzela nina noku-engage. Ngiyabonga kubantu abasijoinile bafethu thi ngibheka amanye ama-comment I think ngibheke kwenye lona because si live ku TikTok ku Facebook na ku YouTube na ku YouTube ethi sibheke na ku Instagram ipost yami lapha yangitshela ukuthi si live na ku Instagram sibheke amalokhu njana ama comment wa ku YouTube and then sivale yonke lento lena bafethu nangumjita wami lana ngamgcina kudala ubani uBabe Mob uthi nkuli my brother sharp kunjani uthi Pirates letting players go because they believe in their development and they can spot the talent. They are now doing what Chiefs is doing. Don't stand in their way. Okay. Nangu kuno Vusi Khumalo uthi show nkuli inkabe yami ngiyanibona bafethu esibonge ngokusijoina. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafethu. Hlezi ngisho whether ngu Omni Audio or nguma platforms wami or nguphi but you guys make the show. Sivale ngama comment wa ku TikTok bafethu ngoba ngiyazi lapha ku TikTok ziyakhala singene ku comment section yakhona but okay na question engizonishiya ngayo la question enkulu kakhulu bafethu Mamelodi Sundowns. Do you think Sundowns izobuya na lapha elo I don't know ukuthi match bazoyithatha bayibeke eDurban straight or bazoyibeka kule ground lelinye le Golden Arrows but Sundowns isikhathi esiningi to be honest bafethu mayidlala ne Golden Arrows kuba nzima kakhulu yabo sonke siyakwazi lokho Golden Arrows against Sundowns le kuba nzima and bengikhuluma la neBrahim Mduni yamaza ngithi ekhuluma ngoNdlovu ukuthi uNdlovu kube nzima kule game le uNdlovu i good player yabo i great player uNdlovu but udlala namajita bayamazi in and out bayazi ukuthi bazi strength sakhe nama weaknesses wakhe badlale naye so ukuthi ashayina against ama former players wakhe noma former team yakhe kuba difficult uyi good player but na ku system ne system bafethu edlaliswa uMiguel Cardoso sobona ukuthi izokwazi na ukuba good. Unkosinathi uyangicorrect lapha uthi semlazi le game sobona and then uIshmael uthi definitely Sundowns izobuya uTools 28 laphana uthi thanks for the show Tools ngiyabonga mfethu ngokusijoina okay okay khona ngibiza ngoMasaka ngiyathanda ama comment nje uMasaka ohola imali enkulu ethusayo ngicela nibe kuimportant ukuthi nisho ukuthi uMasaka unkululeko neWoronkulu but nisho ukuthi uMasaka kodwa ibhola limbhadalayo ngiyabonga then khona uKG uthi ozwena policy ngadlala lapha nezo number 10 khona uthi khona okhulume ngeKaizer Chiefs Esbraya kubani uchilo komafelungu uvuchilo uthi ulona uDa Cruz udinga more signings most definitely bafethu uDa Cruz udinga ama signings angconywana bafethu yabo ukuthi akwazi ukucompete laphana but khona ufana uthi iOrlando Pirates team ambitious izokwazi ukucompete nokuwina ileague kusho ukuthi with or without lo obotito namanye ama player I believe Tito. Okay khona ulona ngibona uli eyes nke angiboni kahle lapha futhi igama lakhe hlangene uthi uyabelieve ukuthi uTito is underrated too much uthi iplayer leli season iOrlando Pirates uthi iOrlando Pirates lose igem la ya uTito to be fair simcriticize yazi why uTito simcriticize kakhulu bafethu bekumele akwazi ukuyithwala iOrlando Pirates uyiplayer important for iOrlando Pirates ama expectation khona iplayer deliver but asakuboni nokudeliver kwakhe because ama expectations abele high niyakhumbula amakhambu lodge uTito bekumele athathe leya bekumele athwale iOrlando Pirates. Unfortunately ke kube nesikhathi la adipha aphinde futhi umbone ukuthi uyavela uTito, but just that besina ama expectations amakhulu ngoTito Masangwane. Okhona uthi uRendani uthi support Orlando Pirates but uthi Sundowns izobuya. Mina ngifuna iSundowns versus Orlando Pirates ku final bafowethu. Umufasa weSundowns uthi Sundowns is not gonna win that game if they continue playing uJohannes noKhoza. Ayinami le pairing bafowethu hayi. Khona ubani bafowethu ubani ubin how noma ubani ngiyaxolisa ukulifunda wrong gama ukuthi ola mfethu ola then khona uself made laphana uyi-actor mfethu ngoba ngibona ufaka ubuso bama actor uthi wena uMiss N uthi ufuna i-invitation Miss N une WhatsApp yami ngicela yazi ngabe manje ngikubizile even namhlanje if simele siyiplan lento le but ngizoku-invite ngicela ungishaye ngeWhatsApp siyiplan lento le ngizoku-invite by anytime yabo but mina ngishutha ngama Tuesday. Khona uthi ilona iSundowns izoyiwina eMTN 80 sobona kusho ujele and then ubiza noma ubiza but ubiza SA uthi uLungu from SuperSport under uHunt. Yeah, uLungu lodlala iOrlando Pirates dala uBetway Premiership lo yamjida lo dala well okay yini best position yakhe lo yamjida lo angiyazi mina ngoba udlala almost wonke ama position but iOrlando Pirates yawathanda lama player layo uyakwazi ukuconverta liyakwazi ukuswitcha ukudlala amanye ama position because uyakwazi ukushaya right back uyakwazi ukuya phambili uyakwazi ngambeka noma ikuphi so I think une speed ke bafethu lamjida lo uBanz ukuphi umjida Thabang Maduludi khona uthi bakhuluma ngamanye ama signings weKaizer Chiefs uthi sibani uzojoin iKaizer Chiefs. Khona ungibuza uwhy vele uthi do you think ikhombo kaPhili noMayo izosebenza lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs? uPhili uyi good player but akumelanga ahlale ku touchline. uPhili ngimbukele live ngifila ngathi ama wingers weLo eKaizer Chiefs ahlala ku touchline kakhulu like akabe close to striker mfethu yabo abe close to lo and ngoba uPhili uzolibamba ibhola but thola ukuthi eboxini akana option. Imagine uPhili uma kabamba ibhola ukude kakhulu nestriker sa kuKaizer Chiefs kumele cross ibhola kanti makaseduze ku easy ukuthi alidlale yabo. So I think into ebashayayo lapha na kuKaizer Chiefs bafethu omunye ule nomunye ule mawubeke sometimes upule mode side na upule mode ke ushade nelo ne touchline ke na ku West yabo. But I think information ne system ka coach ezokwazi ukusiza ilokhu njana iKaizer Chiefs. uMayo uyiplayer eli exciting but okay akumelanga ngikuvese lokho but uyiplayer eli exciting kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs. Kumele aziprove bamnika ipermanent contract ipermanent deal and mina ngakhuluma nomphathi boss eKaizer Chiefs yasitshela ngoMayo ukuthi bayabelievela kule player leli bafethu wasitshela neinkinga zakhe ukuthi okay lo muntu lo unenkinga kanje na kanje but bona bazomnika isikhathi naku bamnikile isikhathi bamnikile ipermanent deal kuKaizer Chiefs. Mfethu nginisema maphari. Yeah. Okay, score prediction seOrlando Pirates. M2. iPirates idlala nani konje? Again. Hoybo. Hayi isikhukhuna sina chance. Orlando Pirates izoshaya 2. Orlando Pirates izowa create ama chances nayi. Okay. Noma nganika ngiprediction straight Orlando Pirates izowa create ama opportunities izowakora na because idepartment eleka kakhulu. In terms of phambili ukukora amagoli because manje bakora iOrlando Pirates ikorela ubani ulungu okwazi ukudlala angimazi noma ngathi uyi wing back noma ngambiza ngayiphi position but uyi player el contributile for the past 2 games angithi in terms of amagoli bazowa create ama opportunities bazowathatha na isikhukhuna United. I don't think it's so a match Orlando Pirates to be honest. I don't think isikhukhuna gives Pirates a problem. That's why okay ukhaya ke lona bafethu ukhaya iBrian mithi isikhukhune United isoyinika Orlando Pirates problem but maybe i1-0 ku Orlando Pirates. Ufuna ukisho ku Mike ikhaya before sivala noma uGrand? Okay siyabonga bafethu ukusijoina. Thank you. Ngihlezi ngisho bafethu without nina yeah there's no show. So yonke lento le siyenzela nina bafethu sibonge ngokusijoina. Oh okay ngizoyiva. Yes. i-defense ye-Sundowns weak but umvala nokekana lana liya-pairing ngabangcono. Umvala yazi uyinikani i-Sundowns i-aggression ne-presence yakhe strong. I-strike ezinye ziyamsaba umvala because ziyazi ukuthi uyakhahlela u-aggressive. Umvala is all over the place ukuwe mfethu uwa nendoda either kudlula ibhola or kudlula wena, so like uyiplayer i-presence yakhe strong but kubonakala ngathi uMiguel Caroso akekho sure ngaye umvala would rather play amanye amajita but ukubuya kwamvala maybe ngayisiza Sundowns. But is he a different player because of a long-term injury? Maybe akasafani umvala. Sibonge bafethu hayi akukho kudlula lokho, ngibonge ngokusijoina igama lami uNkuleko Mdluli but ningazi ngoNkuli Soccer si live Omni Audio Africa. Ngiyabonga for ukusijoina bafethu. Umdusibeko asiyibambe lapho mngani wami ngithi danko.